everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me. सारा अली खान और सुशांत का रीडिंग करते हैं. Usually I have not, so far I have not done the reading because I don't prefer doing reading for anyone who is not really directly involved with what we are doing, because it's mostly like you are spying on their relationship, and this is not what tarot is about or should be used about. But because some linkages are coming related with Sushant's death, and we are pursuing Sushant's death through tarot insights, and किसी ने request भी किया है, तो let's check out what was their relationship like, and we will also see what was the environment around their relationship. Okay, so let's check this out. Cards, goddess, angels, archangels, spirit cards, spirit guides. Your angels, please tell us what we need to know about Sushant and Singh Rajput and Sara Ali Khan's relationship. We thank you for any guidance coming for us, anything that we need to know about their relationship through these cards. Thank you so very much. Wow. What we need to know about. Dear angels, please tell us what we need to know about Sushant and Sara's relationship. Anything that you want us to tell, anything that you want us to tell, you want us to know, please tell us. Thank you so very much. There was a lot of resentment around their relationship, as if people didn't wanted them to be together. Holding on to resentment only poisons you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situation in your life. Resentment. A lot of people had problems with their relationship. यहाँ पे भी देखिए काफ़ी ego game है यहाँ पे. It's almost like somebody was behind their relationship to destroy it. By nefarious agenda, by unfair means, by scheming, by planning, उस तरह का काम करके रिलेशनशिप को तोड़ा गया है, ऐसा लगता है. मैसिव चेंज लाया गया है थ्रू नेगेटिव प्लानिंग, स्कीमिंग, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग रिसेंटमेंट था. दे यूज्ड टू फील दैट दिस रिलेशनशिप इज़ नॉट गुड. Both of them are from different worlds, and this relationship is not a balanced relationship. But they were looking forward to this relationship. There was a lot of compatibility is what I'm getting. Two ka card hai. There was a companionship, there was a compatibility. They were looking forward to this relationship. But there was a negativity around their relationship. It's almost like even before they started seeing, even when they were like, doing the movie, there was negativity surrounding their relationship. There was resentment already. Even before they started seeing each other, people didn't wanted them to see. Okay? Even before they started seeing, there was negativity around. And of course, they didn't wanted them to be together. So things were turned upside down. Their wish was turned upside down by people. Through a lot of contemplation, lot of planning. यहाँ पे देखिए, एक लेडी है जो कि गवर्न कर रही है रिलेशनशिप को, आप देखो, शी इज सीइंग टूवर्ड्स दीज टू. This is one strong lady, she's very aggressive, and she is eyeing these two people who are into a relationship or who want to be in a relationship. अब देखो बहुत अच्छे से मैच हो रहा है. This negativity is coming from this lady. This ego game that you cannot be together, you are from different worlds, is all this ego game is coming from this lady, and she is keeping an eye on these two people. And these two people are also not very grounded, if you see, you know, they are too much into the air. अगर आप यहाँ पे सुशांत हमेशा नाइट ऑफ वॉन्स रहते हैं, अपोजिट में है, यानी कि too much into the air, not grounded. और as a matter of fact, this lady sees सुशांत like this. ये देख रही है सुशांत को इस लाइट में, ये देख रही है सारा को इस लाइट में. That she belongs to this, she is an empress, okay, and she should not go with the knight. Knights are not supposed to be with empress. You see this, how this society clash and the regal clash is shown in the cards. They are from two different worlds. You are from the knight, you are meant to protect us, fight us, but you don't belong to the royalty. She is the royal, okay, and therefore both of them cannot be together. They are not in their right roles if they are seeing each other. पर यहाँ पे आप बहुत beautifully देखो, they are seeing each other, right? This lady is facing this guy, this knight, and this knight is running towards this lady. तो मुझे लगता है कि उनका अपना compatibility काफ़ी अच्छा था, because here also you got two of wands. So their own compatibility was quite good, is what I am getting. And they were looking forward to this relationship, but the people around them were not happy. ये देखो ऐसा है ना, the way this lady, the strong lady, aggressive lady, on the face lady sees both of them is like they are upside down. ऐसे देख रही है वो, यहाँ पे देखो, this is how she is seeing them, upside down, which means that this lady is seeing that both of you are doing wrong things by being in a relationship. This is a wrong thing, this is a wrong partnership, you are not supposed to be doing, because when you are into a relationship, you are not being the princess enough, you're not being the empress enough, and you are clearly, you know, crossing the boundary of a knight. As a knight, you have to protect the royalty, you know, this kind of attitude. This is the attitude. But Sara herself is like very, she has some grounded energy, is what I'm getting. Queen of Pentacles hai, but then definitely she is focused on this money part a bit. But you have also this guy, King of Sword hai, जो कि very scheming का आदमी है. She sees straight, and he's maybe, you know, this relates to her father, who is not interested in this relationship, and therefore these two you can say that they conspired for. Both of these two form this ego wala energy. They constitute this energy. Resentment. Together they form the resentment. Let's pull one more card and see. Surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Together they were happy. If you see, together they wanted to be happy. उनका पर्सनल लेवल पे मुझे कंपैटिबिलिटी डेफिनेटली दिख रहा है, बट पीपल डिडंट वांटेड देम टू बी टुगेदर. सो इवन व्हेन थिंग्स वर राइट, even if being with each other was a dream come true for them, they were separated by this energy, because even before they started seeing, people were like, no, don't go that way. Any guidance coming for us, dear angels, for what we need to know about Sara and Sushant's relationship? Anything that you want us to know? Surrender stress. There was a lot of stress in this relationship. जैसा मैंने बोला ना, रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट होने के पहले ही काफ़ी एक वार्निंग था, एक स्ट्रेस था कि उस तरफ मत जाओ. तो शुरू से ही सब चीज़ आप बोल सकते हो कि इवन दो देयर वाज कंपैटिबिलिटी बिटवीन देम, देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, and it was like they were forced to let go of this relationship because of the societal pressure. They belong to different worlds, that kind of energy. without thinking much. It was a hush hush thing. It was like, जैसा बोला ना, कोई planning पहले से ही थी कि नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है. Okay, there was not like they were given a chance or anything. Anything that you want us to know, dear angels, about Sushant and Sarah's relationship, anything that you want us to know, we will be thankful for that to know. Thank you so very much. Surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. Outdated beliefs. These people, what you're seeing, ये Queen of Wands जो हैं और ये Queen of Sword हैं, they belong to the old society where they think they are the kings and the queens and the empress should not see a knight because the knight doesn't belongs to royalty, because ये एक outdated beliefs and को carry करते थे. Surrender outdated beliefs about yourself, that you belong to different world, knights are from different world, both of them from different world and they cannot see each other, that kind of a thing. Outdated beliefs. Let go of limiting ideas about yourself that originate from the past. Then you can own your power and soar in your life. तो काफ़ी एक नेगेटिविटी यहाँ पे फैलाया गया था कि तुम तुम हमारे बराबर में नहीं हो और तुम दूर रहो, that kind of a thing, because they have this outdated belief in themselves. So this is the guidance. They had a compatibility, but it was forced by two people. You can say ये Queen of Wands है और Queen of Pentacle Sword है, जिन्होंने they have sabotaged their relationship, आप बोल सकते हो. So this is the guidance, guys. Do let me know what you feel about this guidance. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the reading, if you like the guidance, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you again.